Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the blocking of unknown numbers to call you on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the phone app. And then you want to select the three-dotted icon in the top right and select where it says settings. Underneath general, you want to select the blocked numbers tile. And where it says unknown, block calls from unidentified callers. If you want to enable that blocking, toggle this to the right by clicking inside the oval one time. Conversely, if you want to disable that, just click inside it one more time to turn that off and it won't block unidentified caller numbers. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.